Hi guys, welcome to coding.png. Today is our day 16 of 75 days coding challenge. Today we will see list comprehension. List comprehension is a very vast topic, so we will see it in parts. So let's see today's basics of what list comprehension mean. So list, as you guys already know, is a collection of data. Okay, let me define one list, my list having data. Okay, 24, like that, some numbers is present in my list. Okay, and let's move forward towards our list comprehension topic. So let's suppose I have one string, okay, my string, and in that I have hello, and now I wanna iterate through the each letter or each character of this string and wanted to add in a list. How we can do this? In a simple way. Okay, so how you will iterate through this string is using the loops. Okay, using for loop. Okay, for each character in my string. Okay, then you will let's first define one list, my list. Okay, and now you will append that character, my list dot append that character, and then print out my list. Okay, so sorry guys, let's just run my Python file. My file name is list comprehension .py. So it returned this print statement result of my list having these characters HELLOW, hello. Okay, so this is how like generally we used to do, but there is one easy way to do this. Okay, so this we did in like 4 lines of code we have to write. We can do this in writing single line only. So let's just define my list. Okay, and then in that you have to add that C as a character for each C in your string, in my string. Okay, now if I print it out, my list. Okay, and if I run my file again, so it return me this my list. Okay, so similarly with these 2 lines of code we can cover up these 4 lines of code. Like this we use this list comprehension. So this is the letter which we want to add in my list. Okay, and this is the for loop here for each character in that string. Okay, so there is no need to explicitly use that append method here. So let's see a few other examples as well. So let's define one new list. Okay, and now I want to iterate from 0 to 10 number. Okay, so what I want to append in my list is that number. Okay, then iterate through the numbers for each number in range 0 to 11, because 0 to 10 I need. And let's print it out, this new list. So if I clear the terminal, run the file again, so as you can see in my new list I have values from 0 to 10. Okay, so this is how you can work with list comprehension. Let's see one more example. New list 2. Okay, and now I want to perform some operation as well on this number. So let's suppose I want to square root of this number. Then how we can do that? We can perform here as well, num ** 2 for each number in range 0 to 11. Okay, and if I print out new list 2, clear the terminal, run the file again. Sorry, some mistake I did here. Okay, yeah, now you can see I have square roots of 0 to 10. Okay, like that we can perform operation on that number as well before appending it to the list. And we can even, how simply we do this is, if I comment this, then generally if I have to find out the square of that, how we can do that is, let's define that new list first. Okay, then for loop for each number in range 0 to 11. Okay, then new list 2 dot append, then you have to pass the value what you want to append, num square root of num. So this is how generally we used to do, but in list comprehension we can do these 3 lines of code in just 1 line only. Okay, so this is what list comprehension we used in